What's going on, everybody? So today's a big day. I know I haven't posted much about the car, but today we're going to pick up the car. We finally got it started. We had the first startup. I haven't heard it or seen it in person, but today I'm going to first time see it. You guys are going to see it with me. It's a beautiful day. It's snow on the ground. Perfect day to pick up the race car. But we are all loaded up, got the truck packed up, trailer, and let's go get it. So we're going to Delmarva Performance. A local friend of mine owns a shop. Anything I can't do, he can do. Real good guy. He works on all my stuff. He did an alignment and a transmission relearn since you know, we completely exploded the transmission. So yeah, he did all that for me and got it all straight and started it up. And now we're gonna go pick it up and we're gonna take it from there. And so here we go. All right, well, we made it here to the shop, so we're getting ready to go inside and get this thing loaded up. So we got the car all home. I didn't video picking it up. It was a little trying to do it by ourselves, but we're getting ready to start it up here, pull it off the trailer, and get it in the garage. So here we go. We're gonna get it unstrapped and let y'all hear it.
A hazard. Oh, fucking snow.
That's all right. It'll wipe off. This is race car shit here.
I know. Here, now I gotta put this one in there. Here we go. Foot down there. All right, here we go. Oh, damn, it's pushing the wall in there.
All right, straighten it up. Straighten your wheel.
All right.
Yeah, she's just gonna be close. Turn my way a little bit, the wheel, just a tad, too much. Okay, go that way. Okay, straighten it up. All right, we should be good. Let her go. Let her go. Let her go. All right, well, we got it home. I know that was a short video. We couldn't really run it much because it just has a startup tune in it. But yeah, we got it home now. So it's all good to start tuning it. We got to change some plugs because the startup tune was really rich, and it pretty sure it already fouled some plugs in it, so it's got like a little pop. So we're just gonna change the plugs because, you know, I know how finicky these things are with spark plugs. But this is pretty much it. I'll do a little walk around, let you guys see it. So this is it. It's a stock bottom end build, high ram cam, GPI ported heads. GPI also port matched the intake for me. It has the electric water pump, the K-Tech VVT delete. I did the Honda radiator. I'm going to do a video on how I mounted that because I found a simple way to do it that's really cheap. And I mean, pretty much anybody can do it. You don't have to fabricate anything. You just have to drill some holes and get some bolts and stuff. We got GPI plug wires. We got a 112 K-Tech throttle body. Thing is massive. We got Kel-Track long travels, the Viking double adjustables on the front. So that's all that. Aerospace brakes all the way around, pro lights with the welds. Of course, you know, gotta rep the GPI. Got the cage. We did get the cage done. I don't think I showed any videos of that, but got the cage put in. The car is still pretty much, you know, full interior, still door panels, just one racing seat. We do have our my custom switch panel there, if you can see it. So that's for all the, like, the water pump and electric fans. So the trunk, we did do a lightweight battery, and we bought the mount, the correct mount for it. So I definitely recommend that. And then underneath, there's the trans cooler. So pretty solid. You know, it's gonna be fun. So that's the car. Did a little walk around. If you guys, I'm gonna be doing some videos of certain items. I know the radiator, I definitely want to do a video on, just because I get a lot of questions on how I mounted it, you know, stuff like that. But follow the build. You guys, I'm gonna be videoing everything right from the first log to the last, to the time we hit the track. You know, pretty much everything. So, you know, follow the channel, subscribe, and let's see what this little stock bottom end, you know, stock casting heads. We have a goal in mind, and we're gonna try to do it. So we got to put another car in the 8s with stock castings. So that's the ultimate goal with this, and I think we have the car that we can do it. So I'm gonna get out of here for now. Next video will be some logging and stuff like that, and yeah, I'll see you guys again.